This video of a dog went viral. In it, a dog is tied to a leash. A huge tornado is coming right at him. Everyone thought the dog died. They blamed the owner. But what really happened is crazy. A man appeared in the video. He rushed over. He grabbed the leash and rescued the dog. Then he ran to safety as fast as he could. The dog was saved. The man took him to his house. The dog was so scared. The man comforted him. He wrapped the dog in a warm towel to help him feel safe. The next morning, the dog's owner came home. They had no idea what happened. When they saw their dog was safe, they couldn't believe it. They were so thankful to the man for saving their dog's life.